This is really exciting. Really pulls right away. Jacob here with ATV Wholesale. I'm in front of the all-new SEGWAY Xaber 300. Now, it's currently March and this has not been officially released. I mean, they've done some press releases at CES, but I might be one of the first people at a dealership to actually get my hands on this bike, courtesy of SEGWAY and their awesome network of reps. Very exciting bike. I just took it out for a spin. I'll probably take it out for another quick ride, but initial impressions, very powerful bike, great ergonomics. The technology is fantastic. This is gonna be a bike that's gonna shake up the industry. Let's punch in on the bike. So we have this really unique X front headlight with the plastic housing. Size-wise, physically, this is gonna sit similar to our other bikes that are in the 1918 segment. So bikes like the Arctic Leopard Pro S, the E-Ride SS 2.0, 3.0, and SR series. Seat height similar to like a Sur-Ron Lightbee, but the power and the specs are gonna be way above that class. As of right now, this bike has the best power to weight ratio in its segment. At least that's what they're advertising. 72 volt, 21 kilowatt with a 54 amp hour battery. That is a massive battery. Great suspension, powerful brakes. It's got the wheelie mode. Accelerates and pulls really hard. This is an exciting bike. Obviously, we haven't had a chance to take it out to a track. I'm sure there's gonna be some good footage on that, but the display is very intuitive. There's an app for all sorts of features. You've got theft protection. I like this kill switch, sort of like a traditional dirt bike. High beam, low beam, a lot of buttons here. I still have not interacted with this bike in a detailed way, but we're gonna take it out for a little spin and just give you a first riding impression, all right? Let's get out there. Okay, this is pretty neat. I know they already released some information on this, but check it out. On the display and on the mode selector here on the right side, you can actually switch between the different speed modes, and they sort of go by CC. So 150, 200, 300 cc, and then they got a beast mode. I don't know what that is, but that pulls hard. But I think this is a really cool way of actually gauging what the performance level's at, other than just a lot of e-bikes that go eco and sport. This is pretty neat to give you an idea of what kind of power it's putting out. All right, so I've got it in beast mode right now. Now, SEGWAY did not sponsor this video. We are doing this on our own accord, but in beast mode, the bike really pulls right away. Yeah, it really pulls in beast mode. Smooth, linear throttle delivery. Yeah, this is a fun bike. We got a lot of cars in here, so we can only do so much, but I mean, if you gun it, comes right up, comes right up. So here's 150cc mode. So 150cc mode is really tame. In 150, you can gun it, that wheel's not coming up. This is great for beginners. So 150, you gun it, and it's really smooth, very linear. 50cc mode, if you're a starter, you got nothing to worry about. Parents, 150cc, this is gonna be great. 200, let's see what happens. So the wheel still will not come up in 200. 300, oh yeah, wow, that's actually really jumpy. So it's not until you get to 300cc that it really opens up that low end torque. All right, there's only so much we could do, but this is really cool. This is gonna be a fun bike. I'm excited to get it out and see people take it to a trail and really beat on it. Great technology, great power, big battery. This is cool. Stay tuned, guys. Check out the chain, guys. I'm pretty sure that is a 520 chain. That is a serious chain. Yeah, SEGWAY did not skip out on that. And then check out the cable management here. I really like the way they route their wires here. I mean, this tells me that there are engineers that are working through small details like this. This is oftentimes overlooked. So check out the cable management. I mean, you could tell from small details like this that whoever is engineering and putting these things together is very thoughtful. Nice cable management, a bit of a like bracket to keep everything nice and neat. Really appreciate small touches like that. I mean, the whole bike is just slick. There's nothing that's out of place. Looks good, rides good. These are gonna move. Okay, so fantastic initial impression. From what I understand, we haven't yet interacted with the app, but it's gonna have the same interface and functions as the SEGWAY app for their bikes. Obviously adapted to some of the eMoto functions, but things like parental control, theft protection, geofencing, a lot of great features that honestly the industry doesn't really have. So SEGWAY is really moving in the right direction. So whether you're a parent getting this for a first-time rider, it's a powerful bike, but honestly, those 150 and 200cc modes are a great way to limit the bike. you can implement speed controls for your child. And if you're an experienced rider, this bike absolutely rips. Great brakes, good suspension. The ergonomics and the seating posture, the geometry was really good on this bike. Tons of power. We just haven't had a chance to take it to the track, but very, very strong impression. This is definitely going to shake up the industry. We are taking pre-orders. If you guys are interested, visit our website, talk to one of us. You can take a pre-order one of these. They're expected to deliver late April is what I'm hearing, but more to be said in the near future. Check it out. If you got questions, let us know. Thanks so much.